Today for lunch, there's the tater tot bar, buffalo chicken dip with nachos, or the sweet heat barbecue pork on a roll. If you're like me, you might have accidentally swiped your screen and pulled up a quick note. If you swipe up from the bottom right corner, you can do this on purpose. If you are in another app, it might choose to allow you to add a link to that app, in this case a website. Then you can type text for your notes and select Done as a quick reminder of what you were doing. The field hockey team is at home today versus Susquehanna. Athletes are dismissed at 3:15 like everyone else, and the bus departs at its normal time. Remember, this Friday and next Monday, don't come to school. It'll be Easter break. Then, Tuesday, April 26th, PSSA testing will begin, and Friday, May 13th, the 8th grade dance will be happening. Wednesday's breakfast will be the fruit and yogurt parfait with graham crackers or the ham, egg, and cheese burrito. Now please rise for the flag salute.